I don't know if you have heard of Firecoin. Okay, so if you have heard of Firecoin, it's good. But if you haven't heard of Firecoin, then it's still good since you are watching this video now. All right, so you might be asking yourself now, what is Firecoin? Firecoin is just an airdrop, hosted on Telegram. And Firecoin was first mentioned by Notcoin. So that simply means Notcoin is advertising or promoting Firecoin. All right. So what I just want you to do now is very simple. Just make sure you like this video first. Then after giving this video a like, just click on the description section of this video. Then you are going to see the first link there, then you click on it. If you click on it, then it is going to take you or redirect you to Telegram, where you are going to be able to mine Firecoin. I always tell people this, the first people that benefits best from something are those people that saw that thing first. All right. I'm sure most of you knew what happened with Notcoin. Notcoin has already opened the eyes of many people. So you don't have to be joking with any of these airdrops I drop on this YouTube channel. So make sure you register right now. Firecoin is very, very early. And I wanted to tell you guys something. Immediately you see this kind of airdrop, there are things you are supposed to do, in which for myself I'm just coming on board right now, so I've not even done it. Immediately you see yourself this kind of place, the first thing you have to do is to click on this in. If you click on in, no need for me to navigate. Make sure you do all the tasks and activities there. Okay, if they tell you to follow their telegram channel or telegram group, do that. If they tell you to follow them on Twitter, X, do that. If they tell you to do it on Facebook or anyone, or play any game, do it also. Then the second thing you have to do is to click on this boost. Make sure you boost your tapping, because if you see, if I tap now, is one. No, is one. But if I boost it now, you might be seeing, if I tap now, it will be 2 or 3 or 4. You understand? And you can also see that my power is just limited to 1000 right here. So if I boost it, it might be 2000, 3000. So I'll just keep doing that, keep boosting. All right. And then if you notice, if you are clicking on it, you are going to see it has a sound. So this they made it possible for you to actually off the sound if you don't want the noise. So this place, you can just click on it and off it. Okay, so me, I don't like that noise. I just want it to be silent. So I'll just keep clicking on it, and you can see that there's no sound again. And then lastly, just check this last place, this friends section. That's where you can get your referral link. So if you get your referral link, make sure you share it across your social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, so that you can benefit from the updates and your friends can also benefit. Not when you will be cashing out now, your friends might be looking at you and say, this guy, he didn't give us any update, or that kind of thing. So make sure you are going to share it. Okay, and make sure you also join our group. That's our Telegram group on the description section of this video, because by the end, okay, just make sure you join so that you are not going to miss out on updates. And make sure anytime you see my video, you give it a like and comment, because by the end of by next month, we are going to be hosting a giveaway, 10,000 naira giveaway, since we know that much people are not active on our channel. So for you to be active, watch my videos to end, give it a like, and also drop a positive comment, so that you are going to be choosing on the giveaway day. And possibly, hopefully, if more people turns out to be active on our channel, we are going to increase it from 10,000 to 20 or 30 or 40,000. I don't know. So depending on how active people are and how many number of people are showing interest to be active on our channel. Okay, so we do drop useful updates, that's certain. Okay, so that's it about Firecoin. Make sure you take these updates very serious because it's very very early and it was recommended by Notcoin. Thank you guys, and see you when we see again.